Leamington Spa, Whitnash's Family Fun Day.
Just with Naomi Umba, she's the Young Poet Laureate for the whole of Warwickshire. So Naomi, quick question, just heard your amazing set. Do you have any words of advice, please, for young writers?
I would say just be yourself. Like, don't change anything about yourself, because have confidence in being yourself. And when you have that, no one can stop you. And when you have power in your own voice, no one can stop you from being that. You can do that and own it.
Amazing. And we just heard from the Young Poet Laureate. How important is the laureateship, do you think, or what do you think the significance is, how it's tied to libraries?
The Young Poet Laureate for Warwickshire is such a vital programme, and we're so proud of it. It's about honing and developing the next generation of poets and ensuring that that love of literature, of lyricism, of poetry, and that recognition that poetry is a vocation, it's a love, and it's something that's kind of innate deeply within everybody. And so being able to nurture the next kind of generation of talent and poets is really, really important to us. And we are so proud to run this programme every year. Every year we are astonished by the talent that comes through, by the people that engage in the competition. And we are so proud of Naomi. This is the first day that I've seen her perform in person, and I'm so blown away by her. So I'm very, very proud to be part of the service that's allowing this great programme to continue.
Spectacular. Thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. Thank you again.
It's a pleasure, Curly.
My role throughout the day was to deliver some interactive poetry, then walk around the event to jot poems on the spot about community identity, services and thoughts and feelings about the day, after which many people performed and shared on the microphone, enriching the community event literally with varied voices of the community, for the community and by the community. A really great day. Oh, and can I just mention as well, when I got back to Birmingham City Centre, there was a community of Michael Jackson appreciators doing their thing too. Wow. A community day in every way. Love it.
Rhyme out to improve literacy, works recognised by Her Majesty the Queen at the Royal Albert Hall. We've also performed brief the Cabinet Office and much more. Memo rhyme, 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 memo rhyme. Engage, page, stage, digital age, engage, page, stage, digital age, engage, page, stage, digital age, engage, page, stage, digital age. Poetry, 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 poetry. Memo rhyme, 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 memo rhyme. Poetry to engage, poetry on the page, poetry for the stage and digital age. Poetry. Memo rhyme.
Get in touch with me, Alan McGeechee, at schoolbooking@memorime.org.uk. Thank you so much for listening. Take care and bye for now.